we'd been together for about 59 years. Been married for about 53 years. Yeah. So we were only teenagers when we got together. Yeah. And yeah, she's been gone 3 years, and I miss her very much, you know. I'm not a person that asks for help. I'll try and do it myself, sort of thing, or let it work its way out. I've only come back because my wife passed away, and I'm just sort of by myself. We had 4 children. I sort of come back to Matapihi, yeah. But my heart's always been here. Yeah, I'm just sort of happy to be back here with whānau and the people that, you know. It's a kind of a buzz, to be here amongst them, I just look after myself, Stay by myself, look after myself. If I want an argument, I have an argument with myself. The good thing about it is I don't answer myself back.